Hi, my name is Mike Fainberg, and we have lived in this house in Potomac Falls, Virginia for 22 years, raised a family, gone through a lot of changes, and it was clearly time for a refresh in certain areas of our house. We began the search process for a contractor. Usually I'm the type of person that leaves this kind of thing to my wife because of her judgment, her decision making. Design matters are really her area, but it became pretty clear early on that the responsiveness of Prime Custom, the designs that they were giving, the 3D rendering, just everything fell into place and they were the obvious choice for us. As much as I usually stay out of the way, it was worth noting how careful they were in respect to our home. They respected our property, they respected our health, especially important in the midst of a global pandemic, but we felt welcome and safe in our house with them there. And it became clear that the vision that Prime Custom had created along with our input was going to be a massive improvement over what we had before. And we couldn't wait for the final result. And as you can see, it's a wonderful and warm new kitchen, one that we enjoy spending time in. We couldn't be more thrilled with how it turned out, and we spend more time in this room now than ever before. As we went through the design process and the construction process on the kitchen, it became clear that we were getting more than what we ever imagined, and so we actually decided to, as we went through the design process on the kitchen, we were so pleased with Prime Custom that we decided to add on one of our upstairs bathrooms as well, another room in our house that hadn't been updated since we moved in, and as you can see, that room is beautiful and great as well, and so we couldn't be more thrilled overall with the results, the design, and we have and we would be happy to recommend them to all of our friends, neighbors, and anyone else who's looking to make a massive improvement in their home.